We are from SMK Canossian Convent Segamat, an all girls school. The school was established in 1956. There are 280 students and 29 teachers. The classroom is such a mess. We're gonna have to spend hours cleaning this up.
I know, right? Who could make this mess?
Why are all the cleaning supplies in random places? I don't understand.
There's got to be some way we could find all the supplies.
If only we could invent some sort of device to help us organize all these materials.
Sebelum MPH bin dicipta, kita sering mengalami masalah untuk membersihkan kelas. Antaranya, ruang yang terhad untuk meletakkan alatan pembersihan kelas pada satu tempat. Selain itu, proses pembersihan menjadi lambat kerana perlu berulang-alik untuk membuang sampah atau mengambil alatan pembersihan kelas.
Namun, setelah MPH bin dicipta, semuanya berubah sekelip mata. Tiada lagi masalah untuk membersihkan kelas. Proses pembersihan menjadi mudah kerana semua alatan pembersihan kelas diletakkan pada satu tempat. Selain itu, MPH bin dapat mengelakkan daripada kehilangan alatan pembersihan kelas.
This is a sketch of our project. The front sketch shows a product with a height of 100 cm and a width of 45 cm. For the cover on the top and bottom, the size is 100 x 50 cm. There is one drawer at the top and space in the middle to place equipment. Below that, there is a place to throw rubbish. Also, there are 4 wheels at the bottom. If we look at the right and left side of the product, there are recycled items used to hang clothes and broom. Not only that, there is also a place to put tissues.
We use Mr. DIY items such as screws, cutters, reels, hot glue guns, hot glue sticks, and cordless drills. In other shop products, the main material used is aluminum composite panel. We use ACP measuring 4x8 feet, which costs 69 ringgit, and ACP 4x4 feet, which costs 100 ringgit. This is intended to make the product stronger and material water resistant. In addition, we use a meter ruler priced at 6 ringgit and 19 cents. Finally, we use recycled materials such as boxes, large plastic bottles, papers, skewers, milk containers, and detergent bottles.
Semoga projek kami dapat menangani masalah di sekolah.
Itu sahaja daripada kami, kumpulan Canossa. Bye!